for a decision to be taken whether these people are deported back home or they are being repatriated. The Malawi government has already made available some form of transportation. Ours now as South Africa, and I would say that because it's a combination of us as the municipality and other government departments, social development, the Department of Health, Public Works and Infrastructure, SASA, is to ensure that the welfare now of these people is up to standard. That is why from the municipality side we have provided 30 tanks. We are providing water because we are making arrangements now for pollution facilities. But this is not a permanent site. Actually, it's not a site that we took a decision to integrate, but they are here and we have a responsibility as a government. We are working then with this Malawian government to ensure that at the end of the day, these people are moved from here as soon as possible.